Hi, we have prepared this video to show you how easy it is to complete a tax return online, and also to show you how Online Tax Australia will help you maximise your benefits and minimise the time you need to lodge it. The process comprises 3 easy stages. Answer a series of simple yes or no questions, enter your numbers into the user-friendly worksheets, and finally submit the return to us for review and lodgement with the Australian Taxation Office. To get started, if you are not already a member, click on the Get Started button on the main page. Choose the tax year you wish to complete. Remember, an income tax year is different to a normal calendar year as it goes from July to June. For example, the 2012 financial year starts from the 1st of July 2011 through to the 30th of June 2012. In this interview section, choose your occupation using the drop-down list. If you do not see the exact description, please choose one that is similar. Now answer a series of yes or no questions that help us determine what areas of the tax return apply to you, so you are not asked to fill in irrelevant information, thus making the process easier and faster for you. If you have any doubts or questions, simply click on the I and more details will be revealed. You can go back and change the responses at any time if you require. At this point, you will be asked to create an account. To facilitate easy communication for things like progress reports, emails, and other review follow-ups, please use a valid email address as your login. You can set up more than one account using the same email address, but the password for each account must be different. Once your account is created, a summary page lets you know all the information you will need to complete your return. For example, the PAYG summary statements which you get from your employer or employers, bank statements, annual health insurance statement, expense receipts, and credit card summaries. This is generated based on the yes or no questions you answered earlier. A copy of this list will also be emailed to you. You are now ready to enter your information into the user-friendly worksheets. We start at the income section. The PAYG Group Certificate worksheets are designed to match what you receive from your employer, so it's just about transferring the information from your papers into the worksheet. Transfer all the amounts including allowances and union fees if applicable. Enter your employer's name and ABN at the bottom of the page. Click Add another PAYG if you have more than one employer, or Save and Continue to move through to the next worksheet. Add any other sources of income you might have. Continue loading amounts into the worksheets that apply to you. You can add more lines onto a worksheet by clicking the Add Another Item icon. You can also delete this page if a worksheet opens and you realize that it is not applicable to you. Once you have finished the income section, an income summary will show you what you have entered. Click Next to continue to the next section. Now it is time to save some money. As accountants, we are often asked, what deductions can I claim? Our typical deductions page provides easy to understand explanations and videos categorized by occupation and employment circumstances that may apply to you. In the deductions section, you will add all your applicable expenses. Specific worksheets for various deductions are generated based on the yes or no questions you have answered earlier. A point to highlight is the Other Work-Related Deduction worksheet, which includes an expense listing drop-down menu to make it easier for you to nominate your specific expense item. Finally, the tax assessment page allows you to view the estimated tax outcome, which in most cases is a refund. Taxpayers, such as Defence Force personnel and mining employees who are eligible for zone rebates and/or Medicare exemptions, can enter their details on this page by clicking on the specific buttons. Proceed through to the payment section, where you can choose to pay our fee from your refund, credit card, or BPay. You can also choose to receive your refund by cheque or elect to have it transferred directly into your nominated bank account. Once approved, the return will be electronically lodged with the Australian Taxation Office. Refunds will normally be processed in 10 to 14 days, depending on ATO processing times. Once you are happy with all your answers, simply submit the return with Online Tax Australia for a formal review and lodgement with the Australian Taxation Office. Other things to remember when using Online Tax Australia: you do not have to complete the return in one sitting. You can save and log out at any time and return to where you left off later. To ensure you maximize your deductions, review the files in the Typical Deductions tab on the website to understand more about the deductions you can claim. The information icons are there to help you and are available throughout the system. Support video clips like this one have also been added to help you. Click the Save and Continue icon on the bottom of each page in order to move forward and save any changes on that page. Contact us if you have any questions or concerns.